Hello students, welcome to the biology online class. Students, all of you know that we are discussing the chapter 2, that is microorganisms, friend and foe. Today we will discuss about the nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. Our atmosphere contains a lot of nitrogen gas. In fact, our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas. The atmospheric nitrogen gas cannot be utilized directly by plants or animals. In order that the nitrogen gas of atmosphere can be utilized by plants for their growth, it has first to be converted into nitrogen compounds, which can be absorbed by the roots of the plants. Now, the process of converting nitrogen gas of atmosphere into compounds of nitrogen which can be biologically acceptable form, this process is known as nitrogen fixation. There are following ways to convert atmospheric nitrogen into more chemically reactive forms which can be biologically acceptable. First of all, biological nitrogen fixation, physiochemical nitrogen fixation and industrial nitrogen fixation, which is also known as artificial fixation of nitrogen. We will study the artificial fixation of nitrogen in higher classes. Today we will learn about the physiological and biological nitrogen fixation. The nitrogen gas is the free nitrogen, whereas the nitrogen compounds are said to be fixed nitrogen. The nitrogen gas of air is also present in the soil, and in the soil there are some microorganisms like Nostoc anaemia which can fix the nitrogen and converted it into the compounds of nitrogen. Besides these, the nitrogen fixing rhizobium bacteria live in the root nodules of leguminous plant. Rhizobium bacteria have symbiotic relationship with leguminous plant. Thus, some nitrogen fixing bacteria live freely in the soil, whereas other nitrogen fixing bacteria live in the root nodules of leguminous plant. Nitrogen gas of atmosphere are also gets fixed through the action of lightning, in the sky. When lightning takes place in the sky during thunderstorm, a high temperature is produced in the atmosphere. At this high temperature, nitrogen gas of air combine with oxygen gas of air to form nitrogen compounds. Nitrogen is required by both plants and animals for their growth and development. Nitrogen is an essential component of proteins which make up the bodies of plants and animals. Nitrogen is also present in chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. The same nitrogen element is circulated again and again through living things and non-living things. The circulation of nitrogen element through living things like plants, animals and non-living environment like air, soil and water is known as nitrogen cycle in nature. Here you can see a schematic diagram of nitrogen cycle. So now we will learn about the main steps in the nitrogen cycle in nature. Children, the atmosphere or air contains the nitrogen gas. The nitrogen fixing bacteria present in the soil and lightning in the sky fix the nitrogen gas from the atmosphere and convert it into the compounds of nitrogen which can come into the soil. The plants can absorb these nitrogen compounds from the soil through their roots. The plants convert the compounds of nitrogen into plant proteins and other organic compounds which make up the body of plants. These plants are eaten up by animals as food. Animals convert proteins into animal protein. They can convert the plant proteins into animal protein and other organic compounds which make up their body. Some animals also eat other animals to obtain nitrogen compounds. Thus, animals obtain nitrogen compounds by eating plants as well as other animals. When these plants and animals die, the complex nitrogen compounds present in their bodies are decomposed by the decomposers and converted into simple compounds of nitrogen by certain bacteria and fungi present in the soil. Animal excretions like urea are also converted into simple compounds of nitrogen. All these simple compounds of nitrogen formed in this way go into the soil. In this way, compounds of nitrogen which were taken by the plants from the soil during their growth are returned to the soil. From the soil, these nitrogen compounds are again be absorbed by the roots of the new plants for their growth, and this part of nitrogen cycle is repeated endlessly. Okay, now some of the compounds of nitrogen formed from the decay of dead plants and animals are decomposed by denitrifying bacteria present in the soil to form nitrogen gas. This nitrogen gas goes back into the atmosphere from where it initially came. In this way, the nitrogen gas which was removed from the atmosphere during fixation is put back into the atmosphere. From the atmosphere, nitrogen gas is used again during nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle is repeated in nature again and again. As a result of nitrogen cycle in nature, the percentage of nitrogen gas in the atmosphere remains constant. So children, I hope that you have understood today's topic. So please read that part from your book, and if you have any doubt, please ask me in the next live class. Thank you children.